Hi, my name is Ivan Morse, and I'm a criminal defense lawyer. I have been a criminal defense lawyer for almost 30 years, and prior to that, I was an Oakland policeman. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about DUI checkpoints, and what do you do if you get caught up in a DUI checkpoint. The advice I give people for DUI checkpoints is very much the same as I give them for if they're stopped based upon the police suspecting that they're committed a DUI or that they're driving underneath the influence. When you pull into a DUI checkpoint, you need to be paying attention to everything that's going on. Are they stopping every car? Was there a sign out there that says that that you could turn around? Every little detail is going to be important, because principally DUI checkpoints are violations of the Fourth Amendment. They're per se violations. And when I say a per se violation, I mean this. Under the Fourth Amendment, people have a right to be secure in their person and in their home against unreasonable searches and seizures. And a DUI checkpoint is a per se Fourth Amendment violation unless it's done properly. And the United States Supreme Court and the California Supreme Court has carved out a few exceptions. However, if you get caught in a DUI checkpoint, and let's say that you have in fact been drinking, when you pull into a DUI checkpoint and that officer steps up and he asks you, have you been drinking? I want you to respond this way. I want you to tell the officer that you respect his ability to stop you, and you understand that he's there doing his job, but that your attorney has told you that if they ask you, have you been drinking, you really should not answer that question, and so you're just going to take the Fifth Amendment. And you want to be polite about that. You don't want to be argumentative. Then the police officer might say, well, I'd like you to step out and do some field sobriety tests because I want to make a determination of whether or not you're underneath the influence of alcohol. And I'm only going to do this during my investigatory stages to make a determination. I'm basically trying to help you out. That is not true. That's false. If they ask you to step out of the car to take field sobriety tests, they've already made a determination that they believe you're under the influence of alcohol. So once again, you want to tell them, I respect what you're doing. I respect the job that you're doing. However, my attorney has told me that I really shouldn't say anything and I shouldn't take any tests. So I respectfully decline to take any field sobriety tests. Now, at some point in time, they're going to ask you to take a chemical test, either a blood test or a breath test, sometimes a urine test if they suspect drugs. Now, under the implied consent law in the state of California, you are required to take a blood test or a breath test. And if you don't, you'll lose your license for a year based upon a refusal. So you're going to have to do that. However, while you're in that DUI checkpoint, again, observe everything that's going on. Try to remember what questions the police ask you. Try to observe whether or not they are stopping every car or every other car or every third car, because there are specific things the police have to do in order to make this DUI checkpoint constitutional and not a per se violation of the Fourth Amendment. If you do get arrested in a DUI checkpoint, please give me a call. I offer free consultations. My telephone number is 925-828-5307, or you can visit me at my website, www.ivanmorse.com. I wish you the best of luck, and if you need any help or if I can answer further questions, please give me a call. Thank you.